When high blood pressure is a dilemma to reduce it with medication, folk remedies, or not to reduce it at all. Have you ever faced this choice? And what if we tell you about a remedy that unambiguously solves this question? Is it necessary to reduce the pressure? Official medicine says it is necessary. Otherwise, doctors scare the risk of heart attack and stroke. But the question arises, why the blood pressure rose? That is, why does the heart need to pump blood with more force? The logical answer is that it can't supply blood to the body at normal pressure. This is either because of vasoconstriction or because the heart itself is malfunctioning. Sometimes the kidneys and other organs, which do not receive enough nutrients with blood, signal the need to compensate for this deficiency. Hence the conclusion that it is not necessary to reduce the pressure, because otherwise there will be problems with the work of other organs. But what about the risk of heart attack and stroke? How to solve the problem? The answer lies in an alternative approach. Some specialists advise not to fight the symptom, which is high blood pressure, but to solve the problem, because of which it rose. By normalizing the work of the heart, vessels, metabolism and excretory system, a person normalizes the pressure. Among the various products that contribute to the solution of these problems, hibiscus tea stands out. What are the peculiarities of this tea? The first and very important advantage is its proven effectiveness. Scientific studies have compared the effect of hibiscus tea with the hypotensive drug lisinopril. The results showed that they are almost equally effective. But from the tea there are no side effects common to any hypotensive drug. In addition, tea contains a lot of vitamins and minerals, including potassium and zinc, on which the health of the heart muscle and blood vessels, as well as the absorption of glucose and cholesterol depends. That's why hibiscus tea has a complex effect on the cardiovascular system and metabolism. Add to that the low caloric content of the drink, only 5 calories in 100 milliliters. What else does it help with? In addition to heart function and fat digestion, hibiscus tea can help with nervous system disorders. It keeps the body stressed and helps improve mood. Secondly, it is a mild diuretic, which normalizes the water electrolyte balance and cleanses the kidneys. Third, hibiscus liquefies phlegm and reduces fever and inflammation in colds. The fourth ability of this drink is to stimulate blood flow, including in the reproductive organs. Because of this, it is indicated for women during menstruation and for men to improve erections. Tea made of hibiscus is used to rinse the hair and create masks for the skin. Of particular note is its effectiveness in reducing the risk of cancer. Studies have shown that the likelihood of stomach cancer in patients with gastritis when drinking this drink dropped by 52%. How do you make hibiscus tea? You may have thought it was some kind of rare exotic tea, but in fact, it's the well-known carcade. When buying it, it is important to choose the right quality raw material. The petals should be whole and of medium size. If the petals are too large, it is an indication that the plant has been overripe. Petals, which are broken in pieces, are an indicator of poor quality. The color is evenly red. Don't take pale underripe and too dark overripe or overdried flowers. To make this tea, pour 2 tablespoons of raw materials with a glass of boiling water and heat over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes. When ready, you can add a little sugar if you don't like the natural sourness of this drink. Some people like a strong rich decoction of carcade and heat it for 10 minutes for this purpose. But you should understand that the longer the tea is heated, the faster it loses its healing properties. Therefore, for maximum preservation of the beneficial qualities of this beverage, carcade is brewed like regular tea. This drink contains 1 or 2 teaspoons of dried flowers, which are poured over a glass of boiling water and infused for 5 minutes. By the way, did you know that you can eat steamed hibiscus flowers? It's an excellent condiment to many dishes. This tea is contraindicated to those who suffer from hyperacidity of the stomach, as well as kidney and gallbladder stones. Note that carcade has an invigorating effect, so you should not drink it at night. Do you like it? Do you use it for medicinal purposes?